So, I'm your teacher Meena. I will study about the chapter drainage. Okay, let me started with Himalaya River. We study it and Indus River. We are now study about the Ganga River. Ganga River is our holy river. First of all, students should to read your textbook, okay, and learn the all important points. In this video we discuss about the all important point of this chapter. Let me start with the Ganga river system. Okay, the Ganga river headwaters of the Ganga called the Bhagirathi. Okay, important it fed by the Gangotri glacier and joined by the Alaknanda at the Devprayag in Uttarakhand. All these points are too important. Please write down these points in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, Ganga meet the tributaries from the Himalayas such as Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. They are called be tributaries. Okay, what do you mean by the tributaries, students? The tributaries are those short rivers which mix with the large river. Okay, a major river Yamuna arising from the Yamunotri glacier in the Himalaya joins the Ganga at Allahabad. It is too important. Learn it and write it also. Other tributaries as Chambal, Betwa, Son come from the peninsular upland and join the Ganga. Okay. Furuka is the West Bengal is the northmost point of the Ganga Delta. Ganga is joined by the Brahmaputra and forms a river Meghna which flows through the Bangladesh to reach by the Bay of Bengal. It is two important point. The delta formed when the Ganga and the Brahmaputra flow in the Bay of Bengal is known as the Sundarban Delta. Okay, the length of the Ganga is over 2500 km. It developed a large meander in the downstream plain area. Okay, student, this river system, this drainage system is so important for India, so it is too important for the aspects of our test and exam. Learn it and all the points write in your notebook. Okay, now we study of the Brahmaputra river. It is also important. It originated in Tibet, very close to the source of Indus and Sachlej. Most of the coast lie outside the India. Okay, इसका जो coastline है mainly कहाँ है? Outside the India. On reaching Namchanda Barwa, it like a U-shaped turn and enters in the Arunachal Pradesh to flow in the Assam, joined by the many tributaries. Okay, student, these tributaries that join Brahmaputra are the Dibang, Lohit and Kenwala. The Brahmaputra has a Brady channel its entire length in the Assam to form many river island. World important hai, learn it and write it also. It is so important in all aspects such as GK. Okay, student, world's largest riverine island is found in Brahmaputra. Okay, आप उस island का नाम मुझे बताएंगे. This is your question homework. Okay, आप नेट में सर्च करना, आपको मिल जाएगा. नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं बताऊंगी. अनलाइक अदर नॉर्थ इंडियन रिवर, द ब्रह्मपुत्र इज मेड बाय द ह्यूज डिपॉजिट ऑफ सिल्ट बेड कॉजिंग द रिवर बेड ऑफ राइज. ओके, the peninsular river, it is all this let's be started. Peninsular river, Western Ghats from the main water divided peninsula India. Okay, the major river of the peninsula is Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri flow eastward to drain into Bay of Bengal. Okay, student, these rivers drain into the Bay of Bengal. The Tapti and Narmada are two only rivers which flow west to make estuaries and drain in the Arabian Sea. Okay, student, should be learn it. Two are in Arabian and other in Bay of Bengal. Okay, the drainage veins of the peninsula, the drainage base of the peninsular river are comparatively small in size. Okay, the Narmada basin, okay, rising in the Amarkantak. कहाँ से rise होती है? Amarkantak. Narmada flow at the Crater George in a marble rock of the Madhya Pradesh. Do you know about the George, student? ये मैंने first video में describe कर दिया था. Also define it. Narmada flow towards the west in a rift valley formed due to the faulting. Near Jabalpur, it flow in the form of deep gorge in the marble rock, and Dhuadhar falls are picturesque location. Okay, the Tapti basin origin in the Betal, Madhya Pradesh in the Satpura range. It also flow in the rift valley parallel to the Narmada, but is much shorter than Narmada. Tapti flow through a basin that cover the Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. The main West Bengal river is Sabarmati. Okay, Sabarmati, Mahi and Bharatpuzha एंड पेरियार। ओके स्टूडेंट, अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है, क्या लर्न किया है? हमने डिस्कस किया गंगा रिवर को, जो हिमालय रिवर का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। आफ्टर दैट वी डन ब्रह्मपुत्रा। पेनिसुल रिवर में हमने पढ़ा नर्मदा, ताप्ती बेसिन। ओके, अभी हम गोदावरी महानदी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट, यू शुड टू रीड योर इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ऑफ द चैप्टर, okay, in your textbook, and write it all these important points in your book, and I'll give the some important questions through the WhatsApp. Okay, learn it all points and write it. Okay student, take care.